Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Pawar and I am the student of Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research Indore. Today I am presenting my presentation on my topic how Hadoop integrates with modern security tools. First, we know about the introduction to Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source software programming framework for storing a large amount of data and performing the computation. Its framework is based on Java programming with some native code in C and shell scripts. Hadoop is an open source software framework that is used for storing and processing large amount of data in a distributed computing environment. It is designed to handle big data and is based on the MapReduce programming model, which allows for the parallel processing of large data sets. Now, there are some features of Hadoop like it is tolerance, it is highly available, its programming is easy, it have huge flexible storage, and it is of low cost. Now we would know about importance of security in Hadoop environment. In today's data driven world, organizations face difficulty managing and securing massive amounts of data. This is where Hadoop, a free and open source platform, comes into play. Hadoop enables enterprises to handle and store massive volumes of data across commodity hardware clusters. However, as data becomes more complicated and valuable, maintaining its security becomes increasingly important. Hadoop security refers to the method, tools, and procedures used to safeguard data stored and processed within a Hadoop ecosystem. So now how can we secure Hadoops? There are two methods of securing Hadoops. First one is authentication and the second one is authorization. In authentication, the process ensures that only authorized user can access the Hadoop cluster. It entails authenticating users' identities using various mechanisms such as usernames and passwords, digital certificates, or biometric authentication. Organization can reduce the risk of unauthorized access and secure their data from dangerous actors by establishing strong authentication protocols. And authorization gives the action an authenticated user can take within the Hadoop cluster. It entails creating access restrictions and permissions depending on the roles and responsibilities of users. Organizations can enforce the concept of least privilege by allowing users only the privileges required to complete their tasks if adequate authorization procedures are in place. Now we will see how the data encryption is done in Hadoop. So you can read from the slide also. Now how auditing and monitoring is done in Hadoop. Auditing and monitoring play a crucial role in maintaining the security of Hadoop environment by tracking and analyzing user activities, system logos, and access controls. Organizations gain visibility into potential security breaches and can take proactive measures to prevent them. Robust auditing and monitoring practices ensures that any suspicious or unauthorized activities are promptly detected and addressed, helping to safeguard sensitive data and maintain the integrity of the Hadoop system. Now these are some security issues which are comes in Hadoop. You can read from the slide. Now how integration of Hadoop done? Integration Hadoop with a robust firewall and antivirus solution is crucial to enhance the security of your Hadoop infrastructure. A firewall can monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, while an antivirus can detect and remove malware threats within the Hadoop environment. This integration adds an extra layer of protection against potential cyber attacks and ensures the integrity and confidentiality of your data. Now, this is the conclusion of our whole slide, how Hadoop system security can be done and integrates with data. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will answer you there. Thank you for watching.